Welcome back. So this is a very sad video. This is the last of the Bowman 2020 blaster boxes I've been able to find out in the wild. So I doubt there'll be any future blaster boxes I'll be ripping here unless somehow I stumble across more. But I'm not anticipating that. But worry about that in the future. Let's get into this one now. Let's see what we can pull. So, 6 packs. You know who we're looking for at this point. The big names in here, both rookies and prospects. And I'm just curious to see what we'll end up with. And I got the Aquino rookie. I've pulled actually a couple Dominguez paper, not total chrome, which happens. A little pucker right there. Alvarez, Lux, Yamamoto. It's a nice streak when you can hit it in a pack. Horner, Luis Robert, insert. India and Royce Lewis. I'm also curious to just see. I've generally found that a blaster box is going to have a auto or a numbered card. Just one per blaster box, so it's always interesting to see which one, which player, which one you get, whether it's numbered or an auto, or both. I think once or twice I've gotten 2 hits on a blaster. It's very nice. And I'm pretty sure I've probably been shut out on a blaster too. Zardo, which might be this blaster. So all I can do, Bond, I keep hearing about. Alright, last pack. Likely not getting a hit this particular blaster. Robert. Yep, as soon as I mention it, I don't get a hit. Which again, it happens. So you get those. And the chromes here. These are the decent cards. I pulled old paper this time. Not the best blaster box. Did basically get all the key rookies. Which is always nice, but could have been better, could have been worse. But overall, the ripping experience for Bowman 2020 has not been too bad. Again, I was very lucky to find this in the wild at a retailer for retail price. With that, have some fun with it. So, that's what I got for you this time around. And as always, please remember, to collect what you enjoy what you collect, and don't let anybody, especially the market or a YouTuber, dictate that to you. And most importantly, have fun. And have fun by being active in this community. So find your way of participating, whether it's making videos, watching and commenting, going to live streams, group chats, going to your LCS or local card show, or simply talking about the hobby with family and friends. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. The more you'll learn, the more your PC will grow, the more people you'll meet, and the more fantastic friendships you'll form. So I thank you very much for joining me. Hope to see you again. Have a good one, and bye for now.